Hello there, I'm Andre Saldivar, Senior Engineer with Southern California Edison, and welcome to the Foodservice Technology, otherwise known as the FTC. Come on in. So welcome to the FTC. As I mentioned, we have over 100 pieces of equipment here for our customers, allow them to try the equipment before they buy. We've got from combination ovens to steamers, from fryers to retherm ovens to rapid cook and speed ovens to induction, from griddles to planchas, to holding equipment, to individual single hobs, to 4-hob ranges. Over 100 pieces include ventilations. We have 3 different hoods here as well. We have capacity for about 30 people for a demonstration. We have separate hood technology known as demand control ventilation that controls the 3 different hoods. A large part of our inventory is induction, which we also have an induction lending program. As you can see, from over 30 different manufacturers, we have over 60 pieces just on induction for our customers are able to try and take home for 14 days. Whether you're a residential or commercial customer, you can try an induction and take it home. As we continue to move on to the FTC, you can see the layout as we have our two hoods here and another hood over here where we do ASTM and ASHRAE testing for the appliances to qualify for either energy efficiency or the Energy Star rebate program in commercial food service. We are one of the certified labs by the Public Utility Commission in the state of California to perform this testing for certification into those programs. Another service that we offer is also audits for our food service customers, where we're allowed to go in the field and perform an audit of the food service establishment to see overall operations, not just the equipment, not just the ventilation, but also refrigeration, lighting, and the HVAC. So thank you for taking a quick trip with me in the FTC. If you would like to try before you buy, contact us for a demonstration on the equipment so you can try your next recipe or menu item. Thanks again.